Welcome everybody, Jimmy the Greek 7. I'm here again to break down the dances. One dance that we just did that we're going to post on my shorts is the Cleveland Shuffle. Just learned it a little bit ago. It's a cool dance. I guess it was back in 2001 or 2002 they were doing this. It's coming back. It's a trend now on TikTok I saw. So I'm going to break it down real quick. Please don't forget to subscribe, like, and share if you like this video. And so let's get started. So it's an easy dance. You're just going to go, I'm going to turn around so you guys can follow me. With my right foot. Right foot is right here. So we're going to go one to the right, one to the left. So we're going to do that 4 times. Step right, together, left, together. Right, together, left, together. Very simple. Then from here, we're going to go. We're going to step to the right. We're going to do a half circle and a kick and a lift with our other leg. So with our right, we're going to step right, lift, step, lift, back, step, lift, step, lift. Let's do it all over from the beginning. We're going to go right together, left together, right together, left together. Then it's right step, half circle lift, half circle lift, half circle lift, half circle lift. From here, we're going to keep the foot up, the right foot up, and we're going to step to the left. And then we're going to come back together, and we're going to click heels. Then we're going to step to the right, bring back feet together, click with the heels. So from the beginning, let's do it. Right together, left together. Right together, left together. Half circle, lift, half circle, lift, half circle, lift, half circle, lift. Step, heel click. Right, left, heel click. Then it's right foot, left foot. Right foot, sweep. Left foot, right foot, left foot, sweep. So from the beginning again, right, 2, 3, 4. Half circle lift, half circle lift, half circle lift, half circle lift. Step, click, step, click. Heel, heel, right, left, right, left. Then it's, the next step is jump forward, jump back, and then it's giddy up all the way around. So all together, the way the dance goes, facing backwards again, 1, 2, 3, 4. Right, lift, 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 step, click, step, heels, click. 1, 2, 3, swoop. 1, 2, 3, swoop. Step forward, step back, giddy up, giddy up, giddy up.